What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Magic Love Academy. My name is Tamer, and this is Angela.
Hello.
And we are super excited to be inviting you to our exclusive honeymoon experience, both in Italy and in France, as we share with you the secrets to create your true love. Not only is Angela going to be pouring into you all of her content that she's been spending years to cultivate, but I'll be sharing with you the masculine side of the journey as to what I was doing to manifest this true love. And we can't wait to invite you on this journey and be part of something that's going to be really, really special and a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So if this sounds like it's of interest to you, you guys make sure you check out our upcoming workshop and join the course. It's launching July 4th. For everybody who joins, gets exclusive access to our workshops here in Italy and in France. And we can't wait to see you guys there.
Yay!
Yay!
Bye!